Bitbox.Swiss electronic wallet honest review. Watch before using. Most people get digital wallets wrong. They assume all wallets are the same. But Bitbox.Swiss offers unique security features and Swiss-based privacy protection that set it apart. The surprising truth is how easy it makes managing multiple cryptocurrencies while keeping your funds safe. You won't believe the level of control you get over your assets. Here's how it works. Bitbox.Swiss is an electronic wallet designed for Bitcoin, Ethereum, and other popular cryptocurrencies. Users can send, receive, and store crypto securely with private keys that remain under their control. Unlike many online wallets, Bitbox.Swiss emphasizes decentralization and doesn't store your keys on central servers, reducing the risk of hacks. The wallet also includes features like two-factor authentication, biometric login, and multi-signature options for enhanced security. For example, a user can require multiple approvals for large transactions, making it safer for business or joint accounts. Most people get this wrong. They assume convenience comes at the cost of security. Bitbox.Swiss balances both, offering a sleek mobile and desktop interface while keeping funds protected. However, there are considerations. Users must safely back up their private keys, because losing them means losing access to funds. Most people assume password recovery works like a bank. It doesn't with crypto. In conclusion, Bitbox.Swiss is ideal for anyone serious about crypto security and privacy. It provides a user-friendly interface, robust protection, and Swiss-based reliability. If you want a wallet that prioritizes both security and usability, Bitbox.Swiss is worth exploring. Subscribe now for more honest reviews of crypto wallets and fintech solutions.